All right, I've decided to make some gingerbread ornaments, and this is the recipe I've decided to use. I have several of them, but I'm gonna try this one. And it said to preheat the oven at 250, but I put it down to 200 because it's been a while, but I do know they'll puff if you get it too hot. It'll take a little longer to dry, but I'm gonna roll them thin, and hopefully 200 degrees will work. So in this bowl right here, I have 1 cup of salt, or 1 cup of flour, a half a cup of salt, and 6 tablespoons of cinnamon. And if it's not dark enough, I can put more in it. It actually said 4 to 6 tablespoons, depending on how dark you wanted it. So I did put 6 in it now. All right, I'm gonna start stirring this up. And a half a cup of water I'm gonna add to that. I'm gonna stir that up some before I start. Kind of get it mixed up. Really doesn't look like it's gonna be that dark, but I don't have that much cinnamon, so don't turn out the color I want it. I may have to paint them. That's all right. All right, now I'm gonna start adding in the half a cup of water. That's not all of it. I'm gonna stir some of this in first. Oh, I wanted to get some gloves in case I need to mix it with my hands. My oven's ready. Oh, flip that everywhere. Almost all of it. I think it's going to take all of it. I'm going to put the rest in. Not much there. Okay, I'm going to get a pair of gloves and kind of work this. Okay, I have some gloves. I'm going to work it with my hands. But this is probably going to be okay. I might have to add a little more water. This right here is good. So I think I'm going to have to add a little more water. Not much. I might have got too much. Kind of sticky now. I don't know. It's feeling pretty good. Okay, I'm going to, see, it's feeling, I might have it just a little too sticky, but it's all right. I can work with it. I think I'll get me some cellophane, though, to roll it with. Okay, I've got some cellophane, and I just took part of it. I'm going to take this and roll it out. I put it on a silicone mat. I had to go find my cookie cutter. I forgot about that. This out of the way. Y'all see what I'm doing? Yeah. Okay. roll them thin. In fact, I think I'll get just a regular rolling pin. Okay, I think that's about 1/4 of an inch thick. I'm going to try that. Let's take this off. And I do have another silicone mat that I'm going to put on my tray. All right, now let's try cutting some out. I don't need a whole bunch of them. But I guess as long as I got it mixed up. Don't know if that's gonna make one fit or not. Kind of wiggle it. Can I get one more? Yep. Okay, let's see. Looking good so far. The consistency is really good. It was kind of, I thought maybe a little wet, but it seems to be easy to work with. And I'm liking the color. So the 6 tablespoons worked. Okay, I need something small. Let's get it. Nope, that won't be underneath that. Well, I think I'll just try to remove the, got them a little close together. It'll work. Okay, I'm gonna see if these will work. I have some peppercorns. They may be too big. Let's see, there's one. Thought I'd use them for the eyes and the buttons. I don't know whether to go ahead and do it that way or cut some out. Now, I've got to try to get them up. Okay, it took me a little bit to find my little small spatula. Do I need to raise this up some so you can see me put them on there? Oops. Oh, let's hope this works. I can get them up with this. Kind of stuck to it. Probably should have floured my next ones. I'm going to flour that a little bit. Don't break a leg. It's all right. I like them squatty. It's either just get in there and get it. Okay. See how it turned out. Okay, I am going to finish rolling these out and putting them what I can on this pan and bake them at 200, and I'll be back and show you what they look like. Okay, we're going to stick them in the oven. And it'll take them a while because I only have it on 200. All right, we'll see how they turn out. I'll let you know whether I like this recipe or not. All right, I'm going to decorate the little gingerbread. As you can see, I've just stuck a piece of jute in for the hanger. And I think I'm gonna give a little color to his cheeks. So I got kind of a stiff brush that I have cut off. Put a little paint on it. Get most of the paint off. Yeah, it was pretty dark. That's okay. Do that. Then I've made a little bow out of some material. Oh, well, I was going to glue it on, but I forgot to turn my glue gun on. Okay, I got a knife. I had to, it kind of gets rough edges right in here where you put the twine, so I had to clean that out. Now, I need my twine. Through. Whoops. Okay, just tie. Everybody knows how to do this, so nothing hard about it. Yeah, I like the darker side. I think it looks better. So I guess I'll just turn them over and do them all on the back side. I just wished I had a paint pen. I cannot work with that paintbrush, or a better paintbrush, something. Okay, that's the way it turned out. Let's put it on the tree. Let me stick it up there and then I'll show you on my tree. Okay. My lighting in here. Whoa, sorry guys. My lighting is not good. But that's what it looks like on my little tree. Now I'll make me some more and put on there. And I wonder, okay, I realized that I didn't, on the ones that I done with the peppercorns that have buttons, these didn't, so I put some paint dots on them. But I wanted to tell you I did add that in case you noticed there's no buttons on them. I thought I would add this on there. I decided to put a couple of them that I made on the wreath I have on my cabinet door. And as you can see, I added little berries for the buttons. So you can fix them up and do them any way you want to, and they really turn out cute. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until the next one, we'll see y'all later.